Hey, waste your first shot. Do that. Probably the best advice anyone could give you, but nobody talks about it on YouTube at all. I waste my first shot for the reasons of, I don't see the bullet on fast enough, I see the low light enable prompt screen, and I see the screen lock, and by the time all that starts on the first shot, it's 10 seconds wasted. A lot of these are these things that you take like this and you throw up in the air and they fall down. You take them like this and you throw them out far. There they go, they stand up eventually. They even come in red. Oh yeah, those are great, man. So if I had to go pro, oh man, you could forget about that first shot beginning, because all those first shots in the beginnings will always be the same. It takes 8 seconds to get the starting of the recording every single time. And that's the beauty about having a DJI Osmo Action 4 with the speed recording that does a mighty fine job within a 15-minute period of every time you hit that record button. You don't waste an 8-second missed shot every single time you try to start that camera. I'm Fish. I say it sometimes during my video. Doesn't mean it's going to be the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. It's somewhere in the video. It's been like since I got a bad tire. The Arm Italian BXL 6S can't get a repaired tire. I can't put a plug in it. I can't find a tire, wheels for that car. And it's just very difficult to find it. So I'm going to go, like I said, to Main Hobby, or Horizon Hobby Zone. But when I go there, they left the, we got a delay in shipment. Well, you know what? I'm not sure if I even want to get something from them if it's going to say that, and it takes months on end to get parts, if that's an excuse. Belted tires or the stock tires? Belted's going to go wobbling all over the road. And sure enough, somebody said that, and now I just want to go get the stock tires. I'll deal with ballooning. Ballooning's a great, man. It gives us some character to the car. But if I get stock tires that double the amount of money and they start to wobble all over the place, it makes me go haywire. That's not fun at all. So I got my camera facing this way, and I got my camera facing this way, but it got over here and then it straightened out. So that was like a glitch. It hesitated. It wasn't showing that perfect shot like this. It took time, and you see the swing. Well, that's the processing of the camera. Now, if that took time to get that swing, then you know why I start my clips and I'll wait a few seconds. I try. All right, so now we know what they're doing here. They're gonna be taking care of business on the water. So they're gonna take the Atlantis, which was over here, and fix it. And it's gonna take them forever to do the work. Anyways, man, let me tell you, I'm so much thinking today. Willpower's with me. I'm interested in a 360 Insta X3. $429, $439. It's $449, but you get the bundle package. It's the cheapest at Price Club Costco. It's a camera that's not meant for being 36 inches or closer, like any of the action cameras. It must be out there for the reason of stitching. You got it. You can see all the lines, the blurriness. You can see the separations between both of the lenses depending where you hold the camera. If it's over here, if it's over here, if you got ADT, meaning that you have to have it perfectly like so, it ain't gonna be the camera for me. You got it. It's a camera for somebody that puts it down on a tripod, stationary, and you walk around to do your filming. It is a camera for motovlogging that keeps it out there far. Or somebody who wants to use a selfie stick. But if you're gonna hold it in hand and walk, it's gotta be out. Out as far as you can go, that you can't touch the camera, and maybe you get a great shot indeed. Yeah, I said those things. Oh yeah, and I tell you, I think out loud and I share my thoughts, telling you what I may and may not like. Well, I still am. Maybe I'm gonna just hold off just a little bit more, because there are talks of an X4. Yeah, I am Fish. I like to get technology. I like to have, a 360, an action camera, and a primary camera. This way I could do all my shots. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, or down the road. We'll see. And on that note, I'll catch you on many other videos to come.